The line balance chart is also a very powerful, really powerful screen to look at too, because it gives you a lot of information in a very concise manner. This is showing us how each station is utilized for the current shift. So really quick rundown. Green means in process time, blue means block time, yellow means starve time, and the red we see over here, that means faulted time. So very quickly, you can see kind of how the line flow is behaving, right? So we can see, it looks like right here we have an instance of FA120 is starved a lot, it's waiting on FA110, and it's also faulted. We can see which stations are working the most. Whichever station is the most green time is actually working on its process the most. If you see a lot of blocked or starved time on one of these bars, that means that station's sitting idle, waiting for all of its neighbors to do its work, and that's not somewhere you would want to focus your efforts, right? So this is a pretty good starting point if you're trying to identify line balancing items or where I need to focus on making bottleneck corrective actions. So I see here, okay, this station's highly capacitized. There's a lot of green time. It's not waiting around very much. I can actually click on that bar and get like a really quick report card for the day of how the station's behaving. I can see all my cycles at the bottom here. I could access those if I want. I get some high level metrics. So it's pretty cool. It's kind of a one-stop shop for driving at bottlenecks and understanding, asset behavior.